Hello, this short video will show you how to search for academic scholarly articles through your library. You can start with Google or Google Scholar to get familiar with the topic and the keywords, but this will only give you a small portion of what is actually available to you. Using the library will allow you to get access to the most current and relevant academic peer-reviewed information. I will take you through the steps you can follow to find articles on a specific topic. For our demonstration today, I'm going to choose the research topic, write a research paper on the elephant population in relation to ivory trade. The first thing we need to do is identify the keywords, and in our case, it's fairly easy to see elephant and ivory trade as our keywords. I will now expand by using or. In this case, I can use ivory trade or ivory industry, think synonyms, and I'm going to connect my keywords with using and. Therefore, my search strategy will be elephant or elephants and ivory trade or ivory industry. We also have to think about a couple of assumptions that we need to make. In this case, does it matter if it's an African or an Asian elephant? Or does it matter how recent the information could be? So keeping this in mind, go to the homepage of the library, click on Research Guides, expand the Earth and Environmental Studies box, click on Environmental Studies. Here, you can find a whole section on finding articles, journal articles. Click that, and you're taken to a page where you see databases. Databases are places where you find hundreds and thousands of articles on specific topics. I'm going to demonstrate Environment Complete and ProQuest. Once you click on Environment Complete, you're taken to a page where the end is already inputted, and all I have to do is put my keywords, in this case, elephant or elephants, and ivory trade or ivory industry. Click search. The results include other things that are not scholarly peer-reviewed journal. In this case, it could be a book review or newspaper article. So to make sure that I only get scholarly peer-reviewed article, I'm going to click on scholarly peer review. I'm also going to use the date tab here to take it to a date range that I'm comfortable with for my topic. And now I'm left with fewer articles that are very specific to my search strategy. In this case, in Environment Complete, you can click on the title of an article. You can read the abstract if it's available. You can also use the cite feature. You click on cite, you find your citation style, you copy and paste. You have to be careful. You still have to look at the specifics, but it's a lot easier to start from here rather than from scratch. And you also get to click on Find It at York in order to get the article in PDF or HTML. That is what Environment Complete looks like. I'm going to take you back to the Environmental Studies Research Guide, and I'm going to show you ProQuest. ProQuest is a very big database. I'm going to go to Advanced Search, where I get to see the and the or, and I can do exactly the same search again. Elephant or elephants and ivory trade or ivory industry. I can right away click on peer-reviewed and scholarly right here at the top, but I'm going to show you when you click search the type of results you can get. Well, some of them are newspapers, some of them are scholarly journals, trade journals, magazines, so make sure that you are only limited to what you're actually looking for. In our case, scholarly journals. And I'm left with 163 results. In ProQuest, all you have to do is hover over preview to get access to the abstract. Read the abstract, see if you like it, if it's relevant to your search. Then you can click on full text PDF to actually get the PDF, or Find It at York and follow the steps shown to you. Once you click on the title of an article in ProQuest, you also get to see the feature Cite. You can click on Cite, choose your preferred citation style, copy and paste. And that's a very quick way how to look for academic research articles. So again, homepage of the library, research guides, choose your topic, environmental studies, journal articles. Thank you very much, and don't forget that I'm always available for help. You can also use the Scott Library research desk on the second floor. Thank you very much, and hope to see you soon.